I thought I'd share this video. It's from one of our annual mead tastings at the Maltose Falcons. I put it on every year. Before I did, Bruce Brode, who's sitting next to me up at the big table. Bruce passed away a couple of months ago. It's an amazing time, and this is how you can share your meads in a group that your friends will never forget.
This is the Maltose Falcons annual mead tasting. John Kaufman puts it on.
Almost everybody here is a mead maker. There are 19 judges going to be here, from master judges to just mead judges, but pretty much all certified national and master judges. And we're going to be talking about some of the flaws in meads.
Kind of a fine line between your orange juice has been in the back of the fridge and went off, and this is really delicious, please give me some more.
Some of the fermentation problems you can have today. You're not going to get any off flavors from it. You're not going to get any fusel alcohol from it. Sexy, right, Jeff?
It's all about sharing it, sharing recipes, and helping others become good at making mead and make better mead. So that's what it's all about.
Okay, so the mead that's being poured now, I made in 2018. That year I had a huge white sage bloom where my bees are, and there was also some black sage, but I'd say it was predominantly white sage.
This is the honey tasting. Roger brought about 35 different kinds of honey.
The sage flavor was really strong in this honey. The honey, it was almost cinnamon-like or minty even, because there was so much sage flavor.
Most people think honey is honey, but you look at the difference in color. You have honey that's almost black, honey that's orange, honey that's almost white, and the flavor is ridiculously different. So it's one of the cool things that we do on the Falcons is this annual mead tasting.
We were pressing 5,000 to 6,000 pounds of pomegranates. We'll pick a batch, let it set for 2 weeks, then press it. Have another batch that's been picked, wait another couple weeks, and we'll press those. So generally each year I get about 2 batches of 40 to 50 gallons of pomegranate juice that I ferment.
We're going to do one of Billy's from Lost Cause. This is called Jackal. It's actually a new version of Devilish Grin, which was the mead he poured for us years ago when he was up here. It says, and you guys helped me refine it. Jackal is just a much more intense version of the original mead. Every year we're all getting better and better at this, and I can tell you from things I've learned from a bunch of you guys, it's really propelled me substantially.
For the Maltose Falcons 2024 mead tasting, cheers to 50 years!
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about hosting a mead tasting or making mead or anything about mead, please leave a comment below. I read all the comments and I'll definitely get back to you. Happy mead making.